What is your name? Dali na, what is your name? Hmm? What is your name?
And you? And you? Nandita?
What is your name? Pag tinanong ka ng teacher, what is your name, baby? Hindi na alam ang name niya. Name mo.
Tita, ano?
Hmm?
Ano tita?
O, kanta ka na lang ng hawak kamay.
Kamay, di tita. Iwan. Suko. Thank you.